What should be paid attention to before the daily work of the flatbed printer is turned on? Print Technology, Co. Ltd. A flatbed printer is high-tech digital inkjet equipment that can print on a variety of flat materials, whether it is a simple pattern or a personalized full-color pattern. Has been applied to many industries. Since the UV flatbed printer is high-tech precision equipment, some daily inspection work should be: a flatbed printer is high-tech digital inkjet equipment that can print on a variety of flat materials, whether it is a simple pattern or a personalized full-color pattern. Has been applied to many industries. Since the UV flatbed printer is high-tech precision equipment, some daily inspection work should be done before starting the production work every day, which is more conducive to the maintenance of the flatbed printer and prolongs its service life. What aspects should be checked when doing inspections? The following Print printer will briefly tell you about it. 1. Before using the UV flatbed printer, check whether the guide rail has lubricating oil and whether it can ensure the normal operation of the trolley. Because of the guide rail lacks lubrication, the speed of the carriage will be slowed down, the printing speed will be slowed down, and the printing effect will be unsatisfactory. 2. Before using the UV flatbed printer, check whether the ink sac of the print head is well connected with the print head. 3. Check whether the grating strip is in good condition and clean before using the flatbed printer. If there are stains on the grating strip, it may cause the UV flatbed printer not to recognize the scale on the grating strip, and the printing may fail. 4. Before using the flatbed printer, check whether there is ink at the bottom of the LED curing lamp. If there is ink, wipe it off with alcohol and clean the surface of the LED curing lamp regularly. 5. Before using the flatbed printer, check whether the flat wire connected to the head is stained with ink. If there is, clean it in time. If the ink has flowed into or corroded the flat wire, replace the flat wire immediately before using the machine to work. 6. After completing the above inspection work, after turning on the UV printer, first print the status test strip to test whether the flatbed printer is printing normally. The test strip is printed by the control software to detect whether the head hole is blocked. Each small short line of the test strip corresponds to a head hole. The missing short line is called broken needle, and the vague one is called virtual needle. In the case of a virtual needle, the head should be cleaned. 7. Every time the flatbed printer starts to print, check whether the material is properly placed, so as not to scratch the print head during printing. As long as we pay more attention to the maintenance of the UV flatbed printer in our daily work and do more inspections and tests before starting work to ensure that the daily work is carried out normally, we can extend the life of the flatbed printer, reduce failures, and ensure production.